Now we have started from Rome and now we have reached the next place called Florence. At Florence, we have it is about 200 kilometers, but we reached in 1.5 hours. When we went there, actually, we reached there at about 12 o'clock, and there was a tour in the evening to see a few places nearby. And in the evening, we had been to the Uffizi Gallery. Now, when we were near to the Uffizi Gallery, we could see this big statue of Fernandino I in the city center. Then, these are the two photos, or you can say sculptures, just at the entrance of the Uffizi Gallery. This is a famous place there. This is a painting inside the Uffizi Gallery. Now, this is the famous bridge, Pontificano Bridge. This bridge contains costly shops, and this bridge is on the river where we can cross from one side to the other. On one side, you have got Uffizi Gallery, where there were offices initially, some 200, 300 years back, and now that has been converted into a gallery. And the other side, there is a palace where the prince goes or princess goes. So they use this road to travel. So on that road, this all costly things have been placed, and this is a big thing that we have at Florence. This is at the center of the city. There is a fountain at the center of the city. There is a big square rather. Near that, this fountain is there. Now, this is the Pisa Cathedral, famous Pisa Cathedral. Pisa is a place which is a muddy place, you can say, or you can say sand place like that. And they tried to build a big tower there, watchtower type. It is near to the sea, no problem. But while doing that, they found that the construction was always coming into problem, and the tower was leaning and all that. So a lot of experiments were done. So in last about 20, 40 years, a lot of experimentation has been done, and now they say that the bridge, not the bridge, sorry, the tower can stand for 200 years more. They have strengthened the things there. This is just the Baptist church in the same area. So there is a Baptist church, there is a Baptist monument, and then the Pisa Tower. So this is the Leaning Tower of Pisa, famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. Now these are some of the gardens where it is famous for the wine that is produced in this particular region near to France. So this is a big valley in which the wine is prepared. So this is a wine preparing part. So this is very close to winery. You have got these type of things. Then this is the Piazza del Duomo. This is in the San Gimignano. San Gimignano is a place which is close to Pisa. It is very famous trade center initially. It was rather. There are some churches, some buildings. There were 74 towers, out of which now only 14 remain, and all that has been done at that place. So these are the steps which you use to go up and down to that particular place. These are some of the remaining towers at San Gimignano. When we come back to the next place, that is Siena, there is quite a long distance that we took, about 1 hour to come to this place. The roads were not that big, so we required quite a good time to come over here. This is a palace in the city center there. Now this is the path through which we go walking, and there are some beautiful buildings on the sides. There are churches on the sides. This is also a church there. We can just walk in there, and we can go down from here. There is a ice cream parlor over there, and you can get good ice cream. Now at Siena, we have got this Plaza Publica. This at the center of the city. This is a big plaza, and then there is a horse race which takes place. This is the area where the horse race takes place once a year. There is a big competition in the regions. There are about 14 to 17 regions. They train their horses, and then the big race takes place. So this type of racing takes place in the state of place of Siena. It is famous. And then after winning the race, the winner is felicitated in this particular church. So this is a very famous church there. So these are the flags of the teams which participate in that race, and this is what is there available to us. This is the painting on one of the churches there, and this is the guide which was with us. She went through in a good way. She helped us a lot. Now this is the first bank ever formed. So these are the persons. There are three actually windows. I have taken only one. Fortunately, there was a big car, and we could just take a photograph near the bank itself. It is a big car there. And this is Florence area. Now the next place to go is Venice, and we'll be going to Venice by train. Thank you for observing. Thank you for watching. It is Watawe with Samarth Holidays, Kolhapur. Thank you.